After knitting ribbing, we have these columns of knit stitches and then channels of purl stitches, so we're going to weave in our end into one of these columns of knit stitches. So where we have these V's, I'm going to go into one side of one of the V's and just bring the yarn through and continue up this column. Then I'm going to go in the opposite direction, back down, so into the other side of this V. I'm going to insert my needle and then continue in this way down the column. And that's just how you weave your ending in ribbing, so it follows along the ribbing and doesn't disrupt the stretch of the fabric.